Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to do an experiment, and I'm going to experiment with this stuff, Musher's Secret. It's a paw wax, paw protectant. I think it's mostly used for ice, but I know some people will use waxes instead of boots during the summer. And to me that never made that much sense because wax tends to melt a little bit during hot weather. So I always thought, it's just gonna melt off your dog's paw and not really do any protecting. So I'm going to test this stuff out. I have used quite a bit of it. Sorry, I have one hand. I have used quite a bit of it already. I tend to put it on before our morning walks to help condition the dog's paw. Generally in the morning it's not really that hot outside where they need like a heat protectant, but it does seem to help with like drying out and cracking and stuff like that. So I do like it, but we're going to test today if it really does protect against heat. And it says on here, paw protection, 100% natural paw and hoof wax, excellent at preventing buildup of snow and ice on paws and hooves, excellent protection from salt, burn caused by ice melting chemicals, etc., from sand burn and hot asphalt in the summer, which is what we're testing today, keeps paw pads supple and helps prevent old callous paws from slipping on smooth surfaces. When applied regularly, helps keep hooves from cracking due to dryness while sealing out excess moisture, soothes fly-bitten ears on dogs and horses, and helps keep biting insects off and away. And for canines, it says apply sparingly on and between toe pads. No need to shave hair, reapply as needed. In heavy salt conditions, wipe paws with a clean, soft cloth when returning indoors in order to remove salt or other chemicals. So this is a non-toxic, non-staining, safe and easy to use for external use only. So I have noticed though one thing, if you put this stuff on and then have your dog walk on, say, like concrete, it will actually kind of stain your concrete. So I have not put this on inside because of that. Even though it does say non-staining, I probably wouldn't put this on inside and let them run around the carpet or something like that, because it does stain concrete. Kind of puts like a wax barrier on it. I'm sure if I tried to like clean it off, it'd probably be fine. But I did put it right outside the door on my front porch, and I had paw prints there for over 2 months. Kind of funny. But so now I just walk out to the street and I put it on in the street, and then we go for a walk. So by the time we are home, there's no paw prints or anything like that. It typically only leaves paw prints for maybe 2 to 4 steps, and then there's no residue left. That's going onto the street. So, but this is what we're going to do today. Right now, it's going to be 106, I believe, forecasted for my area. I am in California, so it is more of a dry heat. It's not super humid outside. But it is 85 degrees right now, and it's only about 8:45 in the morning. So it's going to be pretty hot today. Alright guys, so this is my front yard. This is probably what I'll be testing it, because I'm also going to test not only the sidewalk, but the asphalt out there. Now most people know this test. This is how I'm going to kind of start my experiment. You put your hand down and you wait for like 7 seconds, I think. And right now the concrete is extremely cool. I mean, it's not hot at all. Let's check the asphalt. The asphalt is warm. It is warm, but it's probably not going to burn your dog's paw. Yeah, so right now 85 degrees. It's warm out, but no burning. Alright guys, it is now almost 11 o'clock. The forecast says it is 99 degrees outside, and it has higher the forecast for today. The highest is going to be 111. So, concrete, I could already feel, I'm not wearing shoes right now. It's warm, definitely warm. I'm not going to step over there, but let's do the hand check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can hold my hand here for 7 seconds on the back of my hand. The front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would say this is hot, but probably wouldn't burn, at least for a while. Very, very close though, definitely hot. So I'm gonna bet that this over here is definitely gonna be burn worthy. Let's see. Whew. Even this right here, the smoother stuff is hot. 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's hot. That's definitely hot. So I'm going to get the Musher Secret out and see if I burn my feet. Hopefully I don't regret this. Alright, so about to put the Musher Secret on. I have one flip-flop and one foot. I am not going to put it on both my feet. So I'm just going to put it on the one, and I have a paper towel to kind of wipe my hands off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so that was definitely hot. I want to put another coat on it. Let's see, try it again. This is really, really hot. I could feel my foot burning, so I'm gonna go ahead and go inside. So this stuff, no go, not for hot. Alright, so before I go inside, I was heading inside and I just had this other idea. Since I only put it on one of my feet, I'm gonna go ahead and see if there's any difference. I'm gonna step onto the asphalt with both feet bare. I'm gonna take my flip-flop off and see if there's any difference. I went ahead and put a third coat now on my right foot, and we will see if there's any difference. So far it's turning out to be exactly how I thought it was going to be. No difference at all. So let's go for it. Alright, so hopefully I do not regret this. Let's go. Whew. Right. Okay. Oof. Nope. Way too hot. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff off my foot. Almost, funny enough, this one felt hotter on the ground. So, yeah, and it could have been because I was sitting on here before, but yes, it's very, very hot, and I am definitely gonna burn my feet. So I'm gonna stop before I have sores on my feet, because those are not fun. So, my recommendation, probably good for snow and ice, not for hot asphalt.